So if you're running a targeted social media ad campaign for dental sleep medicine and you have your staff reaching out to leads to get in touch with them, get them scheduled for their consultation in the office, one of the things you can do in order to make contact with more of those people and not have them think that the phone number on their phone is a scam is to actually call them back a second time, 3 to 4 minutes right after you were unable to get a hold of them the first time. The reason being is lots of those overseas call centers don't call back a second time. They don't leave a voicemail even. It's an automated service that if you say hello, then it connects to the operator on the other line, which is most of the time someone trying to get some sort of personal information to take advantage of you financially. So when you call back a second time, it registers in your lead's mind that this is serious, this is someone trying to get a hold of me. They are far less likely to assume that the phone number on their caller ID is a scam. Go ahead and give it a shot. You're going to be able to get in touch with a lot more of your dental sleep medicine leads that you're generating.